join my Key to Gold channel. Subscribe to my channel and press the bell button to get the latest video update.
Question number 1. How many states and union territories are there in India? Answer B. 28 states and 8 union territories. Question number 2. Hindi Divas is celebrated in India on? Answer A. On 14th September. Question number 3. Which state is known as India's Spice Garden? Answer A. Kerala. Question number 4. On which river bank is Goa located? Answer B. Mandovi. Question number 5. Which state in India is the largest producer of soya bean? Answer C. Madhya Pradesh. Question number 6. India won its first Olympic hockey gold in? Answer B. In 1928. Question number 7. Which is India's first artificial satellite? Answer B. Aryabhatta. Question number 8. First university established in India is? Answer A. University of Calcutta. Question number 9. The first IIT was established in 1951 known as? Answer C. IIT Kharagpur. Question number 10. Biggest district in India is? Answer D. Kutch from Gujarat. Question number 11. Smallest district in India is? Answer A. Mahe from Puducherry. Question number 12. Arundhati Roy was the first Indian to win a Man Booker Prize. She won for the book? Answer D. The God of Small Things. Question number 13. Which is the largest freshwater lake in India? Answer A. Vullar Lake, Kashmir. Question number 14. Which is the highest waterfall in India? Answer A. Kunchikal Falls. Question number 15. Which wildlife sanctuary declared as first national park in India? Answer D. Jim Corbett National Park. Question number 16. First Minister of Education who have been awarded with Bharat Ratna Award was? Answer B. Abdul Kalam Azad. Question number 17. Rabindranath Tagore, first non-European, won Nobel Prize in 1913 for the book? Answer D. Gitanjali. Question number 18. Gitanjali, written by Rabindranath Tagore, is a collection of? Answer C. 157 poems. Question number 19. Which state in India share only one border with Indian state? Answer D. Sikkim. Question number 20. Which one is the longest river bridge over a single river in India? Answer D. Dola Sadia Bridge, Assam. Question number 21. Who had delivered longest ever speech in United Nations Security Council? Answer B. V.K. Krishna Menon. Question number 22. RBI was set up on the recommendation of which commission? Answer C. Hilton Young. Question number 23. Who is known as the father of Indian Green Revolution? Answer C. M.S. Swaminathan. Question number 24. World's first granite temple was built in India. That is? Answer A. Brihadiswara Temple. Question number 25. The value of pi was first calculated by the Indian mathematician dash. Answer D. Budayan. Question number 26. The first Indian newspaper to offer an online edition on internet is? Answer D. The Hindu. Question number 27. Sanskrit is the official language of dash. Answer C. Uttarakhand. Question number 28. In which year was the capital of India shifted from Calcutta to Delhi? Answer C. In 1911. Question number 29. Where the largest shipyard in India is located? Answer C. Kochi. Question number 30. Which state has the minimum total forest area covered in India? Answer D. Haryana. Question number 31. Which union territory has the minimum total forest area covered in India? Answer B. Daman and Diu. Question number 32. The Gulf of Mannar is situated along the coasts of. Answer A. Tamil Nadu. Question number 33. Indian Standard Time refers to the local time of which city? Answer C. Allahabad. Question number 34. Which one is the oldest refinery in India? Answer D. Digboy. Question number 35. Which state is the largest producer of rice in India? Answer A. West Bengal. Question number 36. Which state is the largest producer of cotton in India? Answer B. Gujarat. Question number 37. Where the India's first defense university is located? Answer D. Haryana. Question number 38. In which state the Rajiv Gandhi National Institute of Youth Development is located? Answer A. Tamil Nadu. Question number 39. Which one is the oldest mountain range in India? Answer B. Aravali. Question number 40. Which one is the highest mountain peak in India? Answer C. Kanchanajunga. Question number 41. Which one is the longest river in South India? Answer D. Godavari. Question number 42. Which one is the longest rail tunnel in India? Answer C. Pir Panjal. Question number 43. In which city the longest flyover of India is located? Answer D. Hyderabad. Question number 44. In which state the living root bridges is found? Answer D. Meghalaya. Question number 45. Where is the headquarters of Indian Railways located? Answer A. Delhi. Question number 46. Where the headquarters of Life Insurance of India is located? Answer D. Mumbai. Question number 47. Who is the first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest? Answer C. Bachendri Pal. Question number 48. Who is the first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest with prosthetic legs? Answer B. Arunima Sinha. Question number 49. Who is known as the Birdman of India? Answer B. Salim Ali. Question number 50. Who was the first Indian to be a member of British Parliament? Answer C. Dadabhai Naoroji.
If you like this video, give a like to my video and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.